Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the Pocket Option platform and I'm going to be trading some stocks and some stock OTC uh, pairs. So I have one indicator that I've set up here and it's the fractal. So you would go in here, your indicator area here and select fractal right here. You click on the fractal one time and this will pop up. So in your fractal settings, I set my period to 3. In addition to that, I set the up color to red, the down color to green. And so my candlestick charts, I have them set to 30 seconds, regular Japanese candles. So each of these candles is 30 seconds. And my trade timer is set to M1 or 1 minute. So I'm going to be taking 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the Cisco OTC stock and I'm waiting for the a red fractal to print at the top. The green fractal is already printed, so fractals let us know when a reversal is in effect. So okay, the red fractal just printed, so I took a down trade. I took a sell trade in the direction of the fractal here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, it's looking pretty good. See that these strong bearish candles here. This is the kind of setups we're looking for. Strong reversal here, and when the fractal prints, it tells us, it's a strong reversal in the down direction, in the bearish direction. All right, so let's wait for the expiry here. Okay, good. All right, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm back on Cisco again, and I'm expecting a reversal here, waiting for that green fractal to print so I can take the buy trade, which confirms the reversal. Um, all right, there goes the fractal. All right, so I took a buy trade in the direction of the fractal here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, it's pushing in our direction. Fast 1 minute trades. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to go back to the charts and look for one more setup. Okay, so I'm on the Tesla OTC stock, and y'all missed it, but as soon as I changed to this chart here, the green fractal printed at the bottom here, so I quickly took the trade. All right, waited for that. As soon as I changed over to this chart, the green fractal printed, and so it looked like a good setup. So let's monitor this trade. Okay, great. So we won that trade also. All right, listen, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna pause the video and look for one more trade. I think we're about 4 for 4, but let's look for another setup. Okay, so there we go. All right, so I just took a trade, a sell trade on the Visa OTC stock, and the reason why I took it, soon as I saw the fractal print, the red fractal, I took a sell trade or a put trade in the direction of the trend here. We see some bearish candles. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Oh wow, okay, great. So we had a very good session here using the fractal indicator. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I have a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. Uh, yeah, so this seems to be a good strategy, and I will continue to use this strategy. And thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt. Have a good day.